Hello dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Social and Political Life 1, that is Civics Chapter 4, Understanding Laws. Let's start the first session. The topics that we learn in this session is: do laws apply to all? Rule of law. How rule of law established in India? How do new laws come about? Unpopular and controversial laws. So let's start with the first topic. Do laws apply to all? All persons in independent India are equal before the law. The law cannot discriminate between persons of the basis of their religion, caste or gender. Any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment as well as a process through which a guilt of the person has to be established. Rule of law. Rule of law means is that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. How rule of law established in India? It is often believed that it was the British colonists who introduced the rule of law in India. However, historians have disputed this claim because colonial law was arbitrary, that is dictatorial. Indian nationalists played a prominent role in the development of the legal sphere in British India. Nationalists wanted to change the idea of law from a set of rules that they were forced to obey, law as indulging ideas of justice. By the end of the 19th century, the Indian legal profession began to use law to defend the legal rights of Indians. Indian judges also began to play a greater role in making decisions. Thus, in several ways, Indians played a major role in the evolution of the rule of law during the colonial period. Every year, several new laws were made as well as existing ones revised by the elected representatives. After independence, the document Constitution served as the foundation on which our representatives began making law for the country. How do new laws come about? The Parliament has an important role in making laws. There are many ways through which this takes place. Often, different groups in society that raise the need for a particular law. As the Parliament is sensitive to people's problems, so the process adopted for this issue to become law. For establishing the need for a new law to its being passed at every stage of the process, the voice of the citizen through various media such as TV, newspaper, etc. is a crucial element. Unpopular and controversial laws. Sometimes a law can be constitutionally valid and hence legal, but it can continue to be unpopular and unacceptable to people because they feel that the intention behind it is unfair and harmful. The people might criticize this law, hold public meetings, write about it in newspaper, report to news channels, etc. When a large number of people begin to feel that a wrong law has been passed, then the parliament has pressure to change the law. After electing representatives, it is duty of citizens to keep a check on them. On this, I can give you an example of the farmer bill that has been passed, and farmers are protesting against it. You must have seen this in news channels and newspapers. This is where we end with this chapter. The chapter is very short, so as usual I would advise you to read the chapter, underline the hard words, write them in your notebook 5 times, listen to this video, read all the slides in the video. I'll send you question and answers in the next session. So you can write down those question answers in your notebook, which will help you during your exams. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, have a great time.